Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can lower the zoom volume only. So this tutorial is not like iPhone or iOS specific. You can do that on any device, should it be Android or iPhone, or iOS based. Smartphone at the PC, laptop or computer in general is going to be way easier to execute since they allow you to mix sound and allow you to separately change the sound of each individual app, which, well, phones do not have, unfortunately. So a little workaround is the fact that the system counts the sound from Zoom as the ringer sound, not the media sound. So effectively you can just go into settings, then go for the sounds and haptics category, and in here decrease the ringtone and alert volume to the desired level, and that will affect the Zoom calls or Zoom meetings in particular. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.